coming like boom, 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 boom. What? Oh my, I just ripped the bowl. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my car. I'm actually at the Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree, and I am doing the dollar store slime challenge. So my friend DIYs by Abraham, he made this Dollar Tree slime challenge, and I'm like, okay, I love slime, I love challenges, and it's a really fun way to like kind of vlog and like just, you know, a little bit like change of pace for my channel. I kind of like that, so I am so excited. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Help me get to 800,000 on this channel. It'd be so crazy. Like, help me hit a new milestone. Your girl wants to hit a new milestone. Your girl is orange. Oh my God, what is going on? This video is actually a collab with my friend
Joesph Anthony, DIYs by Abraham, aka Jam Jam, and Pita Bread.
We are all doing like different kind of slime videos, so I thought I would do Abraham's challenge and test out his Dollar Tree slime challenge. So yeah guys, let's go into the store and get some Dollar Tree slime stuff. Everyone is watching me. They're like, what is this girl doing? So hey, slime container, honestly. Oh my God. I'll get that one. Probably need this for slime. For sure. Comments are like, she's so cringy, and I'm like, yeah, I know. Go long. I kind of want to add in, see what happens if we put silly string, goofy string. It's the king, you know, dollar store. They're always talking about So you guys, I'm back in my apartment now from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, in fact. They didn't have glue, which is kind of the one that's like makes the challenge kind of like not fully Dollar Tree challenge. What am I saying? But it's okay. We have some glue here. It'll be good. Literally, I decided what I'm gonna do is just like mass combine all of this ingredients into the bowl and see what happens. I'm pumped because I literally have these like, they're like floral gel beads, but like, kind of cool. Pumped to put them in slime and cut open these ice packs. Like, if you have not subscribed already to my channel, subscribe down below because I went to the store. We are out here today. And also like, guys, this is a fun video and I love slime, so help a girl out and subscribe down below. First and foremost, we gotta add some glue. I'm gonna just add like a little bit, maybe a lot, honestly. I'm gonna add quite a bit of glue because I might have to transfer this into the other container. It's a little bit bigger, but we'll see what happens. I kind of want to add in, so I got this sand. It's like a decorative accent sand. I don't know if it'll like work well in this, but I'm gonna try, okay? I don't know if it's like going to work the best, but we can try. Dumping shot here. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna try and stir as I go. This is so pretty. You guys, comment down below right now. Do you think that this decorative sand will set well like making slime? Because I don't know right now, honestly. It's so pretty though, like that's always good. Okay, I'm gonna add in a crap ton of borax. Y'all, okay. I don't know if this will work or not. I hope it does, because it's like a cool concept. Oh my, I just ripped the bowl. All right, you guys, we're gonna gently stir. How's your day going? We were at the store buying supplies and the lady was like, oh, don't buy that bowl, it's broken. And I was like, thanks girl. Her name was Danny. Love you, Danny. Watch this video. That's weird, I'm sorry. But also, thanks for being dope. Oh my God, literally? Okay, we're gonna transfer this over. Love slime. It kind of feels cool because it like, you have the sand, it's kind of like therapeutic. Look, it has like the FLOAM kind of feel. Right, guys, a little bit like spread out. literally like, it's so big. Comment down below what I should name this slime for my slime shop. So you guys, just so you know, I am doing a slime shop restock this Sunday. I am restocking my slime shop at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to purchase this slime, this conglomerate of slime, I will have that in my shop as well. I am doing a Valentine's Day themed slime restock though, so if you want to get your hands on my slime on Slime by Jacklyne, I will have updates on @Slime by Jacklyne on Instagram, and also my main Instagram @Nichole Jacklyne for more updates on the slime shop. But just so you guys know, this slime, it is so nice. And I'm going to be putting a scent in this slime, and I want you guys to purchase it and then find out what it is. A little mystery slime, if you will. It's so relaxing and this is huge! Like, it stretches so much. And it like, you guys, the next time I'm gonna be making, I'm going to combine first I'm gonna add in like, I'm gonna cut open these ice packs and make that slime first, but then I'm gonna like continue adding things. I'm gonna add the confetti stars. They're like a mess looking, like a mess. These dinosaurs, little dinosaurs, it's gonna be so cute. We're gonna kind of add in this poster tag. It might not work, but I'm down to try. And we have some silver stars. Whoa. We have some red, gold, and silver glitter glues. And then I'm gonna just try and add in this like goofy string, AKA silly string, but it's like the dollar store version of it, so it's like goofy string. And then we have some crazy art, softy dough, Play-Doh. I'm gonna see how this reacts if I add in these floral gel beads, because I'm like curious to see what had happened when I added that. I am I'm like exhausted, but I'm like not okay, great. It's like that like 4 p.m. hour where you're like, wow, I'm tired. So, all right, let's add in the glue. Oh my God. I'm gonna add in a lot of glue. Let's add in the glitter glue first because it is pretty. This is by the brand Crafters Square from the Dollar Tree. Oh my God. I should have like clear glue. Oh well. Whatever. It's not that pretty. I definitely used white glue. I should have used like, you know, clear, but like whatever, it's fine. We're not judging anybody today. I'm gonna next add in these floral gel beads. They're for like, you know, flower plants or slime. Not really for slime, but like I'm gonna try it. Why is it not opening? Everything that I've opened for videos today has been so hard to open that I'm just like, like why? That like fish egg looking things. Ew. I'm gonna just be like, this looks like fish eggs. Like a hatchery. This feels so cool. Like a honeycomb, but not really. It's like wet. Like I was like, excuse me, you're doing what with an ice pack? I'm like, R.I.P. Mr. Turtle. This is gonna like spray. Stop. I gotta do a bigger opening. It's like too disgusting. Oh. Should do it at the same time. The same. Oh my God. This is so crunchy. It's kind of pretty actually. Stars in it. This is like so pretty. Hello, hello. Welcome to my slime video. This is so gorgeous. Okay, next I'm gonna add in these dinosaur playset little figurines because it's like a charm for a slime, but like not really, but we need to like make this more exciting. So we got some T-Rexes, bro. Woo! This is so like, these poor dinosaurs, they did not want this life for them, so. We got already extinct, so what do you expect? Ew, that is on the inside. Is it right? This is on the inside of it. I'm so grossed out right now. The color. I just can't get over that it's like gel. Like, what? Next, I'm going to add in the silly string. Yes. This is about to be interesting. Of everything that I have opened today, it has been impossible to open. Do a little shake, shake, shake. A little. Yeah, we're good. We're good. You ready for this? Oh. It smells so bad. It's already in. Like, come to me real quick. Oh. Oh, lovely. Ooh, it feels so gross. I'm gonna add in the, this is so disaster. I'm gonna add in the Play-Dohs after I have already mixed this all together. And then maybe the slime when we're done. We'll see what happens. This is gonna be a crazy turnout. I'm gonna add the borax in soon. It smells so bad, by the way. It feels like ramen noodles, but like not ramen noodles at all. I really like it. My job is not real. I literally moved over because it's like, it's so sunny, but also like, this is so heavy to like mix at this angle. You're like, so we're up here now. Okay. Definitely need more borax because this is too much to handle, okay? Ow. Make some. Oh, guys, we have this like glitter slime and it's like, it's putty for sure, but like, it's gonna add some like soft, like that's putty. It's gonna add some softness to this. Ew. This is putty. They call it slime. This is like so bad. Where would focus at? It's like all this stuff's happening. It's flying everywhere. I have to like have the slime here. It looks disgusting, honestly. If I should do more slime challenge videos, comment down below what I should do. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, and I went through this disaster and you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Subscribe down below and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!